What's up, guys? Nick here with Rodoc, and today you got to check out this awesome 8x24 Wilson Foreman we got in here. So this is a show stock trailer, and as you can see, we got the black nose with the black sidewalls, but up front here we got the porch light name sign, 3 lights on the front header. Underneath we got the 12K drop leg jack with the spare tire mount, and then your document holder, and then 2 full width belly vents here with closable doors. These are now laser cut out instead of welded in. You got the removable jack handle here, and this also works for the spare tire mount. It doesn't work for the tires on the 8K axles, but it does on the 7K axles. This trailer has lights top and bottom, every corner post, a 33-inch escape door on the driver's side. Right here are your toggle switches to run the porch light and the interior lights. We went with the extruded package here. That way you can do the winter panels. Slide them in and out. We have 4 tie loops on the driver's side, and then we also have tie rail the full length of the trailer on the driver and passenger side. We have 9-inch cross members, and then 2 8K torsion axles on 17.5 Michelin tires with aluminum rims. On the back here, we have the full swing outside slide, and all the Foremans that have the full swing will also have the slam latch standard. We got 2 load lights up there in the rear header, and then we also have an extra stop turn tails in the rear header and in the corner post to make 6 stop turn tails. Button this baby up, and then we go inside. Rolls nice and smooth there. Inside we have the .110 flat floor. You have tie rail top and bottom on the driver's side. We have 4 interior lights in here, 1 in each compartment, and we also have 4 pop-up roof vents. We have the full swing outside slide second cut gate, and we put this in the reinforcement frame here, just so there's not so many different obstacles that have to wash out. And then we have the floating cut gate here up in front. This is a full swing. The way this works, you just pull these 4 pins. Then you can kind of float this to the compartment as you want. Here. There are 4 compartments behind the side ramp, and then 1 up front for storage. I'll show you the nose gate. So the nose compartment here has a drop-down gate. And then you also have your panel storage up here, just to kind of get it up out of the way. Now we'll go to the passenger side here, and I'll show you that side ramp. So right here is the 50-inch side ramp on the passenger side. We put the black liner on the outside. We also have a load light here, and then we have a toggle switch here in the corner post. This is a nice spring assisted on the bottom. And then you have your standard door behind it, and then we also put black rubber matting on this one. So that's everything for this trailer. If you guys got any questions, give us a holler here at 419-394-4408. Thanks for watching.